Industry 4.0 is being described as a revolution in the production systems of the world. Industry 4.0 is a term for the application of a set of new technologies on production of goods. Germany is the leader in this particular industry revolution. German machine and plant manufacturers are currently engaged in developing new products and processes using these new technologies. While some perceive it as an opportunity to increase their revenues and profits, many feel it is a challenge. Especially the small and medium scale companies feel it as a challenge. As large companies adopt Industry 4.0 technologies, the SMEs are also being pushed into its adoption. Also, the German industry and the government believes that unless SMEs also adopt these technologies, the full benefit of the Industry 4.0 leadership will not accrue. Whatever is the thought of German industry, it is also applicable to the industries of all countries. Basically, Industry 4.0 is merging of modern information and communication technologies and production technologies. The data generated by each machine can be captured through using sensors, and this data can be transferred to computing systems, and based on the computation done in the computing system, instructions can be passed on back to the machines, and the levers etc. of the machine can be actuated, and the machine can be manipulated through the computer. Not only individual machines, the number of machines can be connected, and based on the information from one machine, the second machine can be controlled. So, Industry 4.0 production systems are termed as connected production systems. The opportunity to make extra profits and extra revenues come through the ability to create improved products, new products, and improve the productivity of processes. What is involved in adopting and realizing the potential of Industry 4.0? At the present moment, number of technologies which are new for the foundation for the Industry 4.0 revolution. Each of these technologies are already proven with technical feasibility, but the product architects of the various companies specializing in various products have to come out with a creative combination of the set of technologies to create products that are going to give value to the customers. The German industry, having understood the need to accelerate the adoption of Industry 4.0 framework across the German industries, and especially in the mechanical engineering industry, came out with a guideline, came out with a booklet explaining the framework of adoption. The framework of adoption is given as 5 process steps. The process steps are preparation, analysis, creativity, evaluation, and implementation. The 5 steps can be conducted as a workshop within an organization, and the result of the workshop can be converted into an implementable project. In the stage of preparation, the guideline advises the SMEs to develop an in-depth knowledge of the products currently being produced and sold and the relevant market information. Also, the company has to develop an in-depth understanding of its production technology and process. This is the starting point for elaborating new product or improved product ideas and improving production. In the analysis phase, the companies are being asked to make an assessment of their understanding of the Industry 4.0. The analysis may reveal certain inadequacies or shortcomings in their understanding, and companies have to take steps to improve their awareness and knowledge of the Industry 4.0. They may need to buy books, they may need to buy e-learning materials, they have to sponsor their employees to seminars, they have to sponsor their employees to plant visits to understand the potential of Industry 4.0 technologies. Then they can sit down for a creative workshop. During the creative workshops, the employees of the organization are encouraged to combine the knowledge of their current products with the potential of the Industry 4.0 technologies to come out with ideas either in the area of products or in the area of processes. Then further work is done on these ideas to develop the business models based on them. The business models will give the revenues and costs or cash inflows and cash outflows which will be resulting from implementing the ideas. In the evaluation phase, the business models are further analyzed to find out their market potential, their resource requirement, the extent of which they are based on the company's strengths, etc., and the ideas are ranked in an attractiveness table. Then the project team responsible for Industry 4.0 adoption presents its final recommendation of the projects which are recommended for implementation by the company to the company's management. The company's management further evaluates and submits it to the board. When the board approval is given, this particular project goes into the implementation stage. This guideline is thought to be practical and feasible, and it can be applied at the company level. The German Mechanical Engineering Industry Association recommends this guideline to the SMEs in the organization. More details can be had by accessing the report from the German Association. Thank you.